in the home?
Yeah,
Oh, very good. When should you pray?
every day.
Ikaw, Nani, when should you pray? What did you pray for? And na-answer.
For even in my tights and envelope.
Really? You wrote it? What did you pray for, Tawi?
Many times.
Did you all notice that Ashford drew an oval instead of a square? Oh boy, let's see how this turned out.
How can you honor your parents in the Lord? Pray. Number one is to pray for us. Pray for me, pray for mama. Number one yun.
Pray for you
Pray
guys
for your
not to be
parents.
mad at me. By praying for my parents and listening to them.
Napaka-genius.
Then by doing what's right.
Yun. Actually, that's a 5-star answer. By doing what's right. Dutch, ikaw.
Obeying and listening. That's a commandment with a promise.
Nasabi sa devotion dito, nabanggit ko, narinig nyo. Even when you don't understand.
Hindi mo maintindihan yung will ni God, but you obey anyway. I don't understand. Not just sometimes, but many times I don't understand, but I just obey anyway. And then nakikita ko yung outcome na, ay, pag ako yung nasunod, ito yung magiging outcome. Hindi pala ganun ka-okay.
Caleb, how do you give joy to thy mother and thy father?
No, we're actually gonna walk. All the way there, Dimo.
To the beach?
Yeah. Hi guys, naubutan sila ng ulan. We got appetized by the ulan and it's very unfortunate. She's boring. Joke. Akala ko ba may
Oh, this
Oh, yun lang yung hirap pa pag ninakad mo to.
Yeah.
Lenny, look! Boracay! Smile.
No, wait, what am I doing?
Incline pa naman to. Mga ilang incline yan. Dalawa yan. Si Tawi ito gusto. For us.
Lalit yun. Any message for Abby and Ed?
Galing yung hero.
Alright, dito na. Thank you kaya. Third floor.
For our first game, we need players. 5 sets of weapons.
So let's ask Abby on this game.
Everyone take your shot! Okay. Papunta sa college.
So, I
College room.
Pogo,
Okay.
Pogo.
So the song will be by a glass of wine, alright? Oh, a bottle of wine, sorry, a bottle of wine. Ito, that is autographed by the couple. Grabe! Sa College of Music and Arts, Kawagar graduate. Ang second na pinaglalabanan dito is a limited edition bottle of wine. Alright, there we go. Saan ka? Hinaan ka sa pakamay. Believe it. Hold on to that feeling. Alright, there we go. So, now let's sing for Pao. Let's sing for Sir Fred. Okay, so the song of choice will be Never Enough. Okay? Never enough, never, never. Dapat si M kasali dito. It was never enough to begin with.
Doon tayo bro, doon tayo.
Hindi ko sure kung mataas lang yung tone nila or mas mataas sila. But I love the energy that Edge brings. So dahil dyan, he's gonna be the winner for tonight.
A round of applause once again for
Alexa!
Hey, let's sing it for Isa!
Alam mo, I think itong table na to, yung pinaka-malakas sa kanilang lahat. So, let's give it to Isa!
Is this? You'll get to receive it when you get back to Manila.
Yes, of course.
For sino ang yung favorite color na purple? So, pipili lang kayo.
Sobrang pregnant to for Ayala, please. Join the game, guys! Join the game!
Come on, let's join the game.
Guys, let's join him!
Gusto mag-cheer kanina? Kumakalampas pa kayo. Come on, guys, let's join.
Please stand behind Annie. Do you remember when was that moment? Madaming matatalo this time. Okay, game. Hindi ko sure kung may hirap to, but who doesn't like rice on their sauces? Who doesn't like rice on their sauces? Is it Abby or Hector? The correct answer is Abby! The next question is, who has more excess? Who has more excess?
Sino mas may marami?
In 3, 2, 1, go! Who had their first condominium sold from ALP? Because you can either sell a lot, di ba? Or a condo. Pero sino yung unang nakabenta ng condo?
Alright, is it Heck or is it
Is it
Abby?
Hector or Abby? That was way, way back.
Sir Jet, sino ang unang nakabenta ng condo?
Kinuha niya yung first walk-in. Okay, I'm glad you Bago na-close yung showroom, may nag-walk-in pa. And then, bumili afterwards. Yun yung person.
College friends. College best friends.
Julian and Liza, kindly. Okay, take the shot. Take the
You will
shot.
take a shot first. Coffee. Eliza.
Hector and Addy, kindly stay in the middle.
Prepare na yung speech niya. Hello. Yeah. Hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Eliza. I'm Addis College best friend or talaga. And you are? Who are you? Wala, ex-best friend niya. Nakalita niya ako. I met Addie way back in college. Dude, wala lang na-realize ko lang, 18 years na pala tayo magkakaibigan. Ay, naku. Almost 2 decades na lang. Anyway, ano ako sa ikaw kayo nag-prepare ng sulat ko. Yung best friend, di ba? Wala, nalulungkot ako, Addie. Oh, siya daw muna, kasi baka maiyak ako. Charot! Ang emotional ko. Visit ka. Hindi, ito naman sa sudden lang ako konti. Hindi naman sudden na in a bad way, but nalulungkot lang ako. Like, parang tears of joy. Kasi Boracay, first time ko mag-Boracay with you. Tayong dalawa yun. So, every time na, wala, yung mga moments ko dito naaalala kita. Tapos nag-check ako ng photos natin. Sabi ko, fine, ikakasal na to. At hindi ko, sabi ko nga kay Eliza na, humanda ka talaga pag nagkaanak ka na, babalik ka na charot. Pero ang galing, Addie, sobra yung lahat ng seasons of life mo. Actually, nakaka-proud. Kasi mukha ka lang naman pasaway. Like, you remember, yung nasa gym tayo, tapos bigla ka umiyak. Kasi bakit ako na nasira yung takong niya? Nasira. Oo. Si Addie kasi, nakilala namin, parang siyang boss ng group namin. So, boss siya, tsaka pasaway. Pero, nung naging sila ni Hector, parang hindi ko makilala si Addie. Bakit gano'n? Parang si Hector, hindi na niya na-manage yung sa job nila. Pero in real life, kung sino man yung nakilala ni Addie ngayon, parang na-transform si Addie. So, feeling ko, hindi lang si Hector nag-lead sa group nila, but also sa life ni Addie and sa future children nila. Diba? Ang galing. So, kudos to Hector. To Hector, first of all, we want to thank you for taking good care of Addie, for loving her and for leading her like what Cookie said. Kiss nga. Congratulations, Addie.
Life has a way of taking families down different paths.
We would like to thank everyone for coming. I know the weather was so bad. Meron na divert to Iloilo and may na-delay. But we appreciate each and every one of you who came to celebrate with us. This is such a milestone.
So everyone here is special to us. We would like to thank you again. This night is not yet over, guys. Can I ask everyone to gather and say, Addie says, heck yes for a video.
Showing practice na practice na. One!
Nandun nga sa docs before.
Saturday pa pala.
Ano nga Saturday?
Kaya akala ko ito na yun.
Pwede ba ito na? Ayan. Mag-idol na lang kayo dito sa Epic.
Nagtitipid kami. Dito kami kumakain.
Hotdogs talaga.
I wanna love you tonight. Give me everything tonight. Yeah. Let's do it tonight. Ayan na! Yeah!
Sir, Crimson kami pero may mga bababa along the way. Chip,
Oo, yes. Sige.
Chip. Sabi, kakatokin natin sila.
Gising pa yan. Hello! Thank you.
Bro, bukas bukas. Elias,
Bye, bye, bye. Thank you, kuya. Buti
ikaw
kasama
bro,
natin si
King.
bro.
May ka, free ka lang bukas. Yeah. Bro King! NJ pala bro, CJ. Ito si
DJ
Cookie.
Cookie, bro. Hello.
Paano mo kanila sila Adi bro? Anong affiliation nila Adi?
Ako kasi kababata ako ni Hector.
Hector side. Okay. Sige bro, dito
Oh,
na
si Meros. Good night, bro. Nice meeting you.
We swam. It was so fun, but it was so cold.
You saw the marathon.
Sabi ni Tawi.
Our tour equipment. There's the exit door. I think we used one to the exit door.